the taskbar. Now let's learn about the taskbar. The taskbar is the long horizontal bar at the bottom of your screen. It has three main sections. The Start button, which opens the Start menu. The middle section, which shows you which programs and files you have open and allows you to quickly switch between them. The notification area, which includes a clock and icons that communicate the status of certain programs and computer settings. Keeping track of your windows. If you open more than one program or file at a time, you can quickly start piling up open windows on your desktop. It sometimes becomes hard to see or remember what you have already opened. Let us open two programs, Calculator and Solitaire. Click the Start button. Select the All Programs menu item. Select Accessories. Select the Calculator menu item. The calculator window opens. Again click the Start button. Select the Solitaire menu item. The Solitaire window opens. We can see that the calculator window has been covered after opening the game Solitaire. So let's minimize the game Solitaire so that we can work with calculator. Click the Solitaire button on the taskbar to minimize it. You can also minimize by clicking on the Minimize button. Click the Minimize button. When you move your mouse pointer to a taskbar button, a small picture appears which shows you a miniature version of the corresponding window like calculator seen here. You can maximize or restore the icon seen on the taskbar by clicking on it. Click the Calculator button. The calculator window has opened. The notification area. When you move your mouse pointer to a particular icon, you will see that icon's name or the status of a setting. For example, pointing to the volume icon shows the current volume level of your computer. Click the volume button. Click the volume button to close the volume control. Now let's go ahead and learn how to work with desktop gadgets.